Good morning, dear students. Good morning, sir. Samir, bring your homework notebook to me. Sorry, sir. I forgot my notebook at home. Did you do your homework? Yes, sir. But I left my notebook at home. How is it possible? I think you have not completed your homework and it is just an excuse. Sorry, sir. In fact, I had to go to my uncle's yesterday. Do you prefer other things to your studies? Very strange thing. My father asked me to go there. That's right. After coming back, you could have completed your homework. It was late at night when I came back. If you do not work regularly, you will fail in the exam. Keep in mind that regularity conquers the mountains. Next time, I shall be careful. One more thing. There is nothing important than studies in the world. I have realized it, sir. Now you must develop your routine and show me your notebook tomorrow. Okay, sir. I will complete my notebook today. You must mind it for your betterment in study, okay? Of course. Thank you, sir.